I want to start with something most people online won't admit. A few years ago, I fell for the bullshit, the gurus, the screenshots, the Lamborghinis, the easy money promises you see online. And I didn't fall for it, as a beginner with nothing to lose. I was already a very successful business owner. I owned over 3 restaurants in San Francisco, and I worked insane hours, and eventually I went bankrupt and I hit rock bottom during COVID. So when online marketing was pitched to me as a simple, low risk and the smarter way out, I grabbed onto it. I grabbed onto it because I was desperate for a way out, desperate to pay off my $260,000 in debt, and desperate for freedom. So I was sold into the digital dream lifestyle. I tried everything, different business models, Amazon FBA, Etsy shops, MLM, network marketing, different programs. I bought the courses, and subscribed to most tools and funnel builders you can name. I even tried to build my own funnels. I struggled for almost 2 years. No momentum, no consistency, just confusion, stress, and self-doubt. And affiliate marketing? That nearly broke me again. Not because it's a scam, but because the way it's taught today sets people up to fail. Fast forward a few years, today I've crossed, of course, over 6 figures, and I'm pushing 7. I'm a successful coach and a high-paid consultant. Matter of fact, other companies, they hire me to fly to Miami, to Vegas, to different countries, even overseas, to Dubai, for example, to teach authority and branding. And my life looks, of course, very different today. But it didn't change because I worked harder. Absolutely not. It changed when I realized I was playing the wrong game. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 most dangerous myths about affiliate marketing that keep over 90% of people stuck, broke, and frustrated. I will show you why most people never see results, why they are misled from day one, and what finally worked for me and my students and clients today after I ditched traditional marketing altogether. So if you have been struggling, confused, and wondering, why the hell isn't this working for me? I want you to stay with me for the next 12 minutes. Okay, so myth number 1, affiliate marketing is easy money. Let's start with the biggest lie ever. Affiliate marketing is not easy money. Please get that, okay? If it were, most people wouldn't fail. When I first started, I was told that lie. Just go ahead and grab a free link from those affiliate networks, JVZoo, ClickBank. You know them, right? Just go ahead and grab a free link from there. Doesn't cost you anything, and start posting content and post them everywhere, and let them run in the background, and you will become rich next day. Please understand, posting links does not build a business. It builds frustrations. Affiliate marketing only works when people trust you. Let me repeat that. Affiliate marketing only works when people trust you. And trust is never passive. Get that, okay? Most people quit because they were sold speed instead of structure. That's myth number 1. Okay, myth number 2, you need a massive following. This one keeps people paralyzed, believe it or not, okay? They think I'm too small, I don't have enough followers, no one will listen to me. That belief alone, kills their chances. This is the reason why we have so much failures out there. A big audience doesn't equal income. Please understand that it equals only noise. A small audience that trusts you will outperform a massive one that doesn't. You don't need fame. You need clarity and alignment. Most people chase attention, and very few build authority. And I am a living proof because I hit my first $100,000 online without followers or subscribers or all this noise. Okay, so that's myth number 2. Okay, let me pause for a second here before we move on. If this is hitting home for you and it's giving you clarity and maybe some sort of relief, and you want more honest breakdowns like this, like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I make these videos to save you years of frustrations. I make these videos so you don't have to repeat the mistakes that cost me years. And leave me a comment here and let me know exactly what you are at right now, what you are doing, what's going on with your online business, okay? Now let's talk about the myth that kept me stuck the longest. Myth number 3, high ticket is the problem. This myth nearly finished me because I kept hearing high ticket doesn't work. You need cheaper products, you need millions of views. That's not the problem. They don't tell you that. The real problem is promoting offers you don't own for commissions you don't even control. That's what I was doing for years. I sent people to expensive products. I split profits with the vendors, and I waited for approvals, and I hoped nothing would change in the commission structures. And when commissions changed, my income disappeared, all my hard work gone. So here's the truth. High ticket works incredibly well. When you own the product, you control the checkouts and you keep 100% of the profit. Yes, 100%. That's the difference between working for commissions and building a real business. I never hit my six figures, splitting profit with gurus, scam bullshit out there. No, when I actually owned my product and I was in full control of my checkout, my own merchant account, and I was earning 100% profit, that's when I bought my car and started traveling and bought my house in cash. Not when I was splitting with vendors and working for someone and they will keep all the list and will keep all the customers. I was a slave to them. So please understand that. Working for commissions for someone else, it's not a good way to build a business online. All right? Whether you want to believe me or not, it's up to you. So if this video clarifies why affiliate marketing feels broken, I put together a free training that explains what actually works today. Free 20 minutes webinar that you cannot find anywhere else. On the next page, you will discover the secret done-for-you digital business that has already helped thousands of people, earn 100% profit online without tech skills, without a big following, and without even having their own product. Don't you want to find out about this? This is the same system that helped me go from bankrupt, restaurant owner to my first 100K online and beyond. So click the link in the description and pay close attention to what's on the next page. If you are new to this and nothing has worked for you, you are overwhelmed and frustrated, I want to tell you this. Most people online don't fail because they are lazy. You are not. People are not lazy. They fail because they were taught the wrong business model. Now you know better. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now. How is your first session on onboarding so far? Since the minute you contacted me and you signed up with the Legacy Business Program, how is your experience with me so far?
To be honest with you, it's a little bit better than I expected. In fact, a lot better than I expected. One of the reasons that I went with you was because of you, number one. Number two, the perks that you offered. But something you'd said in one of your videos really resonated with me, and that is the help that you were going to give me. And I kept thinking, it doesn't matter if I'm getting the same course from someone else. It doesn't matter if I got the biggest Ferrari or biggest car in the driveway. If I have no gas to get anywhere, how am I going to get it out of the driveway? So, you walking me through step by step, and it's been a godsend. I don't know how long it would have taken me to do if I had done it on my own.
The direct contact with you and the willingness to be there for us, just watching over our shoulder. That's what exactly I was looking for. I was not looking for just about an end program.
Yes.
So that's basically the biggest thing for me. Someone one-on-one, could meet with them. Yeah. I could learn from him as we go along and build the business. And at the same time, I just want someone to give us the guidance and
the support and the one-on-one and the setup and the bonuses and also coaching. No one is doing that for actually free.
True.
Congratulations, first of all. You are officially member of the Legacy Builders Program. We spent over 2.5 hours. This is our first session. We did the foundation. We got 2 domain names integrated, and now we are going to move on to the next step. How was your onboarding so far?
Onboarding it's a great experience I had. Learned from you directly one-on-one, which of course is something not offered by even the course itself, which I believe that's what people are missing in offering the Legacy Builder Program. And of course I appreciate the time. 2.5 hours is a lot of information, and
you actually learned also a lot of things today.
Sure.
Right?
Absolutely, absolutely. Actually, I'm looking forward. I found my match, and I found what I'm looking for.
What would you tell someone who is watching?
I recommend it to everyone. Join your team and just listen to you. I believe it's a successful first step. I like everything, and thank you for being there for us. Thank you. I got the master. I don't need the mind. There's one thing that you said before, and I believe in it. you are offering people or you're making people an offer too stupid to refuse, you know.